I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Ecosport fog lamp bulb. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Torx bit, and a new H8 fog lamp bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down before starting any work. Safety is key, so take a moment to prepare your workspace properly. Now, let's access the fog lamp. Look for the small access panel located near the fog lamp assembly. Gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry open this cover. Once the cover is off, you will see two T20 Torx screws. Carefully remove these screws to free the fog lamp housing. With the housing loose, you can now access the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Then, carefully unplug the electrical connector from the bulb. Take your new H8 bulb, connect the electrical connector, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise to secure it firmly in place. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reinstall the two T20 Torx screws, making sure they are snug. Then, snap the grille cover back into its original position until it clicks. Once everything is secure, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog lamp to ensure it's working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.